Morning. Just doing another quick hack. I've been meaning to do this for a while, predominantly for my son, to make an effective back rub for when he's in the shower. So what you need for this is you need some bath salt. So I've got Himalayan rock salt, also got Epsom salt, and some old bits of soap, so they can be chopped up a bit smaller if necessary. Finally, you need a long sock. I've just got one of these socks, which happens to be probably one of mine when I thought it was a good idea to have them to go above my knee, or even an old sports football sock, rugby sock that's not needed anymore. And the idea is to fill the sock up in different sections with these ingredients so that you can rub your back or other parts of your body. So to start off with, obviously you're going to have one end to fill it all in, but I suggest tying a knot first of all, so you've got something to hold on to grip, and then you're going to do something with the other end as well. So I'm actually going to go with Himalayan salt to start off with, and roll it down. And I'm going to take quite a portion. I would say that would be really, I probably need up to about 100 grams, because you don't want it to really keep it open. I could probably use a funnel that I could clean up afterwards. So put some in, and you can see, make a bit enough of a bulge. So I'll try again. Got a smaller scoop, a little bit more. Okay, and then you want to tie that off, not too much spilling out. So let's have probably a double knot, because I do want the sort of the effects of a little bit of friction to rub against. So another big knot. Okay, then I'm going to put some Epsom salt in, and you keep going until you've worked your way up the sock. There you go, a few scoops. Obviously you can replace this, so when the salt and the Epsom salt has dissolved, because I imagine it will last probably about a month, then you can just undo the knots and fill it again, and then adapt it as to how you think it's going to work best. You're not going to keep it in the water all the time, so you keep working your way up. If you can see, tie that off. So I'm going to choose to do a soap in the middle. So the next one I'm going to put in is a soap, and then I'm going to do two more either side of the soap. So I've actually got sort of old bits. I've actually got some charcoal and lemon soap, and then I've also got some other little hand soaps. It looks like I picked those up from staying over in a hotel. I'm just going to put another one in there, tie that off, and as you can see, that's really what you just need to continue doing. I won't keep on now, but there you go. That's one half of it, and that's what you're going to use to rub around your body, and it is heavy enough and creates enough friction. And I'll show you the end result in a minute.